Welcome to my channel Creative Product Review. Here are the top 5 best portable welding machine of 2025. I have reviewed related products and selected the top 5 for you, considering all aspects. The video description includes product links where you can purchase the products. If you are interested, you can check them out. Number 1. Brand name, Hitbox. Model number, ARC 200D Portable Welding Machine. The Hitbox ARC 200D welding machine is a compact, efficient, and versatile tool perfect for home and light industrial use. Its 2-in-1 ARC MMA and lift TIG functionality, coupled with a reliable IGBT inverter, ensures smooth and stable performance. The LED digital display makes current adjustments easy and precise, supporting a range of 10-200A. Lightweight and portable, it's ideal for quick repairs or DIY projects. Durable and user-friendly, it offers excellent value for its price point. Highly recommended. Number 2. Brand name, HCX Vogen. Model number, new HVM 200 Portable Welding Machine. The HCX Vogen 3-in-1 semi-automatic welding machine impresses with its versatility and ease of use. Combining gasless MIG, lift TIG, and MMA welding capabilities, it handles diverse welding tasks with precision. The Synergy tool simplifies settings, making it beginner-friendly while offering advanced features for experienced welders. Its compact, lightweight design ensures portability without sacrificing durability. Perfect for no-gas iron soldering, it delivers consistent, professional-quality welds. Overall, an excellent choice for hobbyists and professionals seeking a reliable, multifunctional welding solution. Number 3. Brand name, Hitbox. Model number, HBM 200 Portable Welding Machine. The Hitbox 3-in-1 semi-automatic welding machine, HBM 200, is a versatile and efficient tool for both beginners and professionals. Its MIG/lift TIG/MMA capabilities make it ideal for a variety of welding tasks, while the Synergy setting simplifies operations for smooth performance. The gasless functionality is convenient, especially for outdoor use, and its compact design ensures portability. With stable output and quality construction, this machine offers excellent value. It's a reliable investment for DIY enthusiasts and light industrial projects alike. Number 4. Brand name, Hitbox. Model number, HBM 1200 Portable Welding Machine. The Hitbox 3-in-1 HBM 1200 semi-automatic welding machine is a versatile and efficient tool for hobbyists and professionals alike. Its multifunctionality, TIG, MIG, and ARC, offers flexibility for various welding projects. The dual voltage compatibility, 110V/220V, ensures convenience, while the IGBT inverter technology provides stable and efficient performance. The Synergy feature simplifies setup, making it beginner-friendly. Compact and lightweight, it's easy to transport. However, advanced users may find the power slightly limited for heavy-duty tasks. Overall, it's a solid, value-packed machine. Number 5. Brand name, HCX Vogen. Model number, MIG-145 Portable Welding Machine. The HCX Vogen non-gas semi-automatic welding machine MIG-145 is an impressive tool for gasless iron soldering. Compact and portable, it delivers reliable performance with its 120A output, making it suitable for DIY projects and light industrial use. The machine is user-friendly, featuring straightforward controls and smooth welds without requiring gas. Its sturdy build ensures durability, while its versatility accommodates various welding needs. An excellent value for money, this welder is ideal for hobbyists and professionals seeking efficiency and convenience. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for next video.